Hey y'all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DI Solutions. In today's video, we are walking you through how to set up users and controls in Zoho Expense. So your expense reporting stays clean, compliant and under control. As you can see, this is the interface of Zoho Expense and I have logged in as admin. So there will be two views for me, my view and admin view. To set up users and roles, you have to switch into admin view. Under admin view there is settings and you can set up the users, permissions, controls under users and controls. Let's discuss first roles and permissions. Based on the designation of your employees, you can create different users roles and define access permission for their roles. Zoho Expense already predefined three roles, that is admin, where you have unrestricted access to all modules. Then there will be an approver where you can submit and approve expense report, and there will be a submitter, the users who submit expenses. All these are predefined roles. To create a new role, click on the new role, provide the role name, role description, and you can set the permission for this role. You can choose whether you providing trip permission for the particular role. Then travel document, we have the option to give permission for expense report, cards, etc. So once this is set, click on the save button to create a new role and you can assign a user against these roles. And also we have the option to clone the role, that is to duplicate this role and permission, and we can provide another name for this role, particular role. So once the role and permissions are set, there is an option to create department. If you have different departments and teams in your company, you can add them as department in Zoho Expense and assign the department to respective users. You can view the users who belong to a particular department in the department page, and all the expenses they create will be associated to the department by default. So to create a department, click on new department, provide the department name, then you have the option to choose department head. All the created users list will be listing over here and you can set the department head. You can provide department code and description and click on save button to create a new department. Next we have policies, which is very important. It is very effective way to control the expenses your employees incur on behalf of your company business. It defines the rules and limits that every employee should keep in mind while incurring expenses on behalf of the company. So to create or set the policies of the company, click on new policy and there you can provide the policy setting. You can give the policy name. Here I am providing travel expenses as a policy. Then you can choose the policy admins. Then there is two options: allow uncategorized expense to be part of expense report, or we can set the number of days prior to the travel when we have this trip submission window has to be enabled to the users. Then if you have any travel policy, you can upload here. From here you can choose the file and upload it. Then if you want to provide a surcharge on foreign currency, you can enable this and provide the surcharge per percentage and processing account. So once this is added, the next is to provide Here I am choosing the surcharge percentage as 10% and I am choosing this automobile expense to be under processing account. So next is to set the category limits. Here you can set the expense amount limit. Here I am choosing it as 1,25,000. The receipt required limit, and we can choose whether to make the description as mandatory or not. Then you can set the limit for each category also. So once this is done, click on save and continue to go to the next page where you can set the mileage preferences, like you can set the default unit, category and other company vehicle details, mileage rates, etc. So once you have set all this, click on finish button. So you have created all the policies also. Next is to create a user or assign an user against this. For that you can click on new user. There you can provide the details of user, like you can provide the name, email address, mobile number. All the roles we have created under roles and permissions will be listing over here. Choose the role accordingly. Then the submitter, to whom you have to submit this report. Then you can choose the department where we have already created the departments under departments. So all those will be listing over here. Then you can choose the company policies that we have created from there. Then if you want to invite this user through their email, you can click on enable button and you can add or you can create a new user in Zoho Expense. So that's it. Hope you understood how to set up user and controls in Zoho Expense. See you in the next video. Thank you.